Hi everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to make an online video website. Here I have few video files here. Funny animal video file. And I also have thumbnail images for each videos. And here I have source code for this website. So how to set up this website, the online video. But first, make sure that your web hosting company allows you to upload videos directly to the web server. So some web hosting companies do not allow you to upload videos directly to the server. You must upload your videos on YouTube, for example, and embed your videos on your website. They do not allow you to upload directly to the server. If you have a web hosting account that allows you to upload directly videos to the server, then you can do this website. Okay, then let's start to set up this website. So here are source code for this website. You can download these files from my GitHub repository. I will put the link on the description of this video. After you have these files on your web server directory, in this case I'm running my local web server, and here is the directory of this website. Then the first step is to create a database. So the database can be an empty database. Let's create a database. I'm going to set the database on my local PHP my admin. Create a new database. I already have my own database here. I will empty this database. So you can create your empty database with any name. My database is called my database. So after you created your database, you can open the configuration of this website, which is this file, config.php file. Open it, and here is the admin. Username is admin, password is admin. This credential is used to log into admin panel of the website. And this one, the host, this for database connection. The host is localhost. Database prefix, I put it like this. You can change it to whatever you like. And the database name is the name of database that I have here, my database. That's all for the configuration. That's all. You don't need to change anything else. Then you can run the website. Let's go and run it. I copy this directory and I paste it here. Then I replace this part to localhost, and then press enter. First time you will see this message. Click OK, and if this message appears again, it means that you have not set up correct database. So I forgot to mention that here you need to specify database username and database password. In this case, because I'm running it locally, the username is root and the password is just empty string. I didn't use any password. Click OK, and here is our website. So this website is empty. Let's go to admin panel of this website. I will copy this URL and paste it here and change this index.php to admin.php. Here is the login screen of the admin panel. The username is admin and password is admin. You can change it on your config.php file. So let me log in. Now here is the login panel. We have home, new post, categories, settings, and logout button. Here on the settings, we can change the title of our website. I will change it to funny animals video or funny animal videos, and you can change any color, this for example, and you can also change the description of this website. And you can change the language. Right now it has only English and Bahasa Indonesia. You can change your logo and change your base URL. We don't need it right now. And here is an option to disable and enable right click option on our website. And this is an option to change website icon. If you have your own website.ico file, you can change it here. Let me just click update button and go back to our website and refresh it. Now the color is changed to blue. Let me add a new category here. For example, I will add a new category, dogs, or then maybe cats, just for example. And here we can add new post. So let's add a new post. Here we have categories here. Okay, let's add a new post. Here is my video. Let me upload this first one. Let me upload this funny animals one. Category, I set it to cat, funny cat video. And then the image file, I will select this funny animals one screenshot file as a thumbnail and click open. And here we choose the video file, open and click submit. Now if we refresh the home page, we will see it here. We have a slider here. It will display the 3 latest posts that have been published, and this is the thumbnail of the video in this category cat. And let me add another one. I will add the new funny animals to the category will be dogs and sorry my typing. This is the second video. I click submit. Another thing that you must check, you need to set up the upload limit of your website on your PHP setting. There is two things that you need to set on your PHP, and you can check out with your web hosting provider. First is post upload limit, and second is file upload limit. You need to change these two to anything you need. For example, if you are uploading videos, the size is 22 megabyte. If your upload limit is, for example, 10 megabyte, you will not be able to upload this file. So you need to change that limitation. Okay, let's get back to this admin panel. I'm going to create, you can see here on home screen, you have the list of published post. Here, if you click this link, you will see the post. If you click this edit button, edit link here, you can edit the description and detail of the post. And if you click this delete, you will remove the post. And let's add the third one, funny video 3. We'll set the category cat. Let's click and choose the video, click submit. Now we have 3 videos here. You can see here is slider. You can click this more button to view it. You can also click on it. Here is search button. You can type something here and it will automatically find the video. And you can also click this more in cat and more in docs to view all the posts inside this category. Here is also a category button. You can click each of them, and here is recently published videos. You can click any of those to watch. So if you watch the video, you will have this video here. You can see the publishing date of this post and the view counter and the category. Here you can also see random videos from your website, and here you have share social share buttons, and you have also Facebook comment plug in here. Another thing that I can show to you is there is a download button here. Enable people to download the videos. If you want to disable it, you can go to admin panel here and settings. You can click yes to disable, right click and download video button. You can refresh, and now you cannot right click on your website, and there is no download button here. But please note that even you disable right click option here, anyone will still able to download the videos. If they choose to view the source code, they will find the video file here. Okay, let me press Ctrl U and find .mp4. So anyone will still be able to download the video by copying and opening this URL. So there is no way to prevent people from downloading our contents, but at least in this admin panel we can disable right click and download video button. So that's all for this video. If you like this work, please support me to be my patron. Here I'm running a Patreon page here. You can be my supporter to support my work, and I will keep creating new software and program for free. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime. I will answer whenever I can. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.